Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Putri Ayu Anggraini dan teman kelompok saya yaitu Irna, Junia, Hastuti akan melanjutkan reading textbook Lesson 9 to 3B Book The Mathematics Application Chapter 9. Hands on lab, a follow-up of Lesson 9 to 3. What you will learn: show statistics on map, materials, outline of map of the anything static markers. Maps and statistics. Follow the steps below to make a map using data from the table. This is table every number of tornadoes areas. Step 1. Make a line plot of the data using the static abbreviation instead of X. Step 2. Find natural break in the data and organize the data into fewer than 7 categories. Step 3. Color each statistic according to its category, include a key. Next, writing math. Number 1. Explain how you could change the categories to show that a greater number of states have many tornadoes. How could you change the categories to show that only a few states have many tornadoes? Number 2. What information is above in the map that would not be found in a table? Number 3. Researcher use the internet or another source to find data about the 50 states. Make 2 different maps of the data showing 2 different points of view. Next, lesson 9 to 4. Measure of central tendency. What you will learn: find the mean, median, and model of a set of data. New vocabulary: measure of central tendency, mean, median, model. What I'm ever going to use this vacation day? Use the table to answer each question. Number 1. What is the average number of days for these 9 countries? Number 2. Order the number from least to greatest. What is the middle number is your list? Number 3. What numbers appear more the end? Number 4. What of the number of numbers from exercise 1 to 3 might be revelation of the set of data explained? This is table every number of vacation days per year for select countries. Measure of central tendency are numbers that describe a set of data. The most common measure are mean, median, and model. Concept summary: measure of central tendency. Measure description: mean, the sum of the data divided by the number of items in the dataset. Median, the middle number of the data ordered from least to greatest, or the mean of the middle two numbers. Model, the number of numbers that occurs most often. Example: find measure of central tendency. Number 1. 5. The mean, median, and model of the set of data. 22. 2. Mean, the mean is 23. Median, averaging the number in order from least to greatest. Model, the data has 2 models. Next, sometimes 1 or 2 measures of central tendency are more reception of the data than the other measure. Example: using a profile measure. Geography uses the table to answer a question. This is table population of the 7 countries. Number 2. When is the mean, median, and mode of the data? The mean is about millions. Mean offering the number from least to greatest. The median is the median number or 481 millions. Mode since each number only occurs until there is no mode. Number 3. Which measure of central tendency is more receptions of the data? Since there is no mode, you must decide whether on mean or the median is more reception of the data. Notice that the average layer population of Asia greatest affected the mean is 5. The only continent with a population greater than the mean is Asia. The best representation of the data is the median. Different circumstances determine what of the measure of central tendency are most used. Concept summary using mean, median, and mode. Measure most useful when the data has no absolute values. Median, the data has extreme values. There are no big gaps in the middle of the data. Mode, data has many identifiable numbers. Next, skill and concept check. Number 1. Rating method determine whether all measures of central tendency must be numbers of the set of data explained. Number 2. Open-ended construct a set of data then has a model of 4 and a median of 3. Number 3. Find the error tabeas and Erika are finding the median. What is correct explain. Within practice, find the mean, median, and mode of each set of data, run to the nearest 10 if necessary. Football for exercise 6 and 7 use the graphic. Number 6. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data. Number 7. Which measure of central tendency is most representation of the data explained. This is table touchdown based complete on modern night football. Practice and application. Find the mean, median, and mode of each set of data, run to the nearest 10 if necessary. Number 8 to 50. Cukup sekian pembahasan halaman 434 sampai 437. Selanjutnya akan disampaikan oleh teman saya yaitu Irna, Junia, Hastuti. Mohon maaf bila ada kesalahan baik dalam penyajian maupun dalam pengucapan. Saya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.